Hi, my name is Joan Richardson and I'm the shelter manager for the SPCA Animal Rescue. Very excited to be here today at the Blessing of the Animals. Want to tell you about some exciting news if you haven't heard before. Everybody knows we've outgrown our property at 295 Bayside Drive. We've just purchased 37 acres of land on a commercial area in East Saint John, and upcoming capital campaign. We're going to need everybody's help. It's going to be an amazing new facility to provide the utmost best care for our animals, and we're going to keep everybody informed.